Alright, so now we got fractions on fractions, otherwise known as compound rational expressions. So with these, what I'm going to do is I'm still going to try to go the fastest way, like I do. How I'm going to do that is I'm going to look for a least common denominator among all four of these itty-bitty fractions. So I know that 3 is over 1, 1 is over 1, so my least common denominator is going to be that 1 times x plus 2 times an x minus 3. Alright, so the 3 needs an x plus 2 and an x minus 3. This technically needs a 1 and an x minus 3. This 1 needs an x plus 2 and an x minus 3. And finally, this needs technically a 1 and an x plus 2. Alright. So, now we get to distribute this fun mess. The nice thing is, these fractions now are over one big denominator, and these fractions now are over one big denominator. So distributing this mess, I should get something that looks like this. Notice how that minus sign stays in between those two terms, and this minus sign stays in between these terms. Alright, so now I get to play this fun game of distribution after the fact that I noticed, hey, I've got a fraction divided by a fraction now. Can I just use keep, change, flip? Yeah, at this point I would, because if I keep, change, flip, what's gonna happen is my little tiny denominators are gonna cancel out. So after keep, change, flipping, I should get something that looks like this. So I kept the top the same. I changed this division symbol to a multiplication symbol, and then I flipped this entire fraction upside down. So now I can treat this like one big fractional bar again, and I can cancel. So I cancel, 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 cancel. Alright, and now I get to distribute what's left. So just getting rid of the extra stuff, this is what I got left. Now let's go ahead and distribute. At this junction, I'm going to remind you not to cancel this piece with this piece, because this is part of a multiplication part still, and this on the bottom is now part of a subtraction problem. We cannot cancel parts of addition and subtraction, numerator and denominator wise. So please keep that in mind. Let's continue to distribute. Alright, so I've distributed. Now I've just got to combine like terms and see if this refactors, and then I'm done. So all in all, this is what I get. Neato. I did happen to forget in my last little bit that to put that x with that 7. I caught it when I was rechecking my work. Have a great rest of your day. I'll see you tomorrow.